Hi everyone, it's Miss Gomez again, and today we're going to talk about subtraction. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at a picture, and then we're going to look at number sentences, and we're going to find the one that matches. Now we've done this in class, so I know that you're going to be doing this at 100% because you are so smart and you're ready to continue practicing our subtraction sentences. Are you ready to begin? Awesome. All right, let's get started. All right, let's take a look at the picture. How many kites do we have total? That's right, we have 3 kites. And how many kites are crossed out? That's right, 1. Raise your hand if you can tell me the subtraction sentence. Okay, great. I'm hearing some really good answers. I did hear the answer that I was looking for. 3 minus 1 equals how many? 2. That's right. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Raise your hand when you know which one of these sentences matches that story. That's right. Let's see if you're right. Was it that one? Did you say 3 minus 2 equals 1? No, you didn't, because we did not cross out 2. We only crossed out how many? 1. That's right. Was it 2 minus 1 equals 1? No, because we have 3 and we took away 1. So if you said 3 minus 1 equals 2, then you are 100% correct. Let's go ahead and move on to the next sentence. All right, raise your hand when you can tell me what the subtraction sentence is. Remember, take a look at the whole number. That means all of the ladybugs. And then we're going to take away or subtract to the ones that are crossed out. So how many do we have total? 8. That's right. We have 8 total ladybugs. Well, guess what happened? 4 of those ladybugs flew away. So we have 8 and we took away 4. Oh, no, wait. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 of them flew away. 8 minus 5 equals how many? So then let's see if you got the right answer. That's right. That is not the answer. That is not the answer. So which one is it? The one in the middle, 8 minus 5 equals 3. Good job. Kiss your brains. All right, please raise your hand when you know what the subtraction sentence is. I see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It looks like we have 7 lily pads. You know, the ones that frogs sit on sometimes in a pond. Okay, so we have 7, and how many are crossed out? 2. We have 7. So we have 7 and we took away 2, and how many are left? That's right, 5. So let's say the sentence. Ready? 7 minus 2 equals 5. Good job. Do you see that here? I sure do. It is not that one, and it is not that one. It is the last one. It's right here. 7 minus 2 equals 5. Good job. Take a look at our frogs. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 frogs, and 1 hopped away. What's 10 minus 1? That's right. It's 9. 10 minus 1 equals 9. Do you see that number sentence? You're absolutely right. It's right in the middle. 10 minus 1 equals 9. Good job. Raise your hand if you can tell me the subtraction sentence. All right, I do see that we have 2 umbrellas, and we took away 1. 2 minus 1 equals what? Yes, 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Don't forget to say the sentence. Which one is the number sentence? Is it this one? That's right. No, it's not. We don't have 3. How about this one? It's not it because we did not take away 2. So is it this one? That's right. We had 2 umbrellas. We took away 1, and now we have 1 left. Amazing. Let's take a look at our story. We have 6 sons, and 2 are crossed out. 6 take away 2 equals how many? That's right. 6 take away 2 equals 4. How do you know that? What can you do to find out if that was the answer? Absolutely. You can count the ones that are left. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also use your hand. So if you had 6 and you took away 2, 1, 2, how many do you have left? 4. That's right. 6 minus 2 equals 4. And that one is right here. Awesome job. subtraction sentence. How many birds do we have total? I see that we have 8 birds. And how many flew away? They're crossed out, so how many flew away? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 8. And 6 flew away. What's 8 minus 6? That's right, it's 2. 8 minus 6 equals 2. Good job. What's the subtraction sentence? Let's count how many daisies we have. I see that we have 5 on top and 5 on the bottom. Like the 5 group way, we have 10 flowers or 10 daisies, and 3 of them are crossed out. I wonder what happened to those 3 daisies. What's 10 minus 3? That's right, 7. Say the sentence with me. Get ready. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Good job. Whoa, this is pretty easy. How many ducks do we have? We have 1 duck. How many ducks are crossed out? That's right, 1. What's 1 minus 1? Yes, 0. Show me 1. Take away 1. How many do you have left? 0. 1 minus 1 equals 0. If you picked this one, you are correct. Let's take a look at the subtraction sentence. How many items do we have total? Look at these beautiful lotus flowers. How many do we have? We have 4 on top, and we can count the fast way starting right here at 4. Get 4 going. 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many flowers do we have? That's right, we have 7. How many are crossed out? That's right, just 1. 1 is crossed out. So we have 7 and we're taking away 1. What's 7 minus 1? That's right, 6. 7 minus 1 equals 6. Don't forget to say the sentence with me. What's the subtraction sentence? Think big. All right, so tell me first how many swans we have total, or how many ducks do we have? How many? We have 5, that's right. And how many flew away? 2. 5 minus 2 equals how many? That's right, there are only 3 left. So 5 minus 2 equals 3. Take a look at the sentences down below, and I want you to go ahead and find the one that matches our sentence, our picture, right? 5 minus 2 equals how many? 3. So I want you to think big and pick the one that is the correct answer. That's right. If you picked the first one, 5 minus 2 equals 3, then you are correct. Great job. Take a look at these tulips. All right, I think I see that we have 5 on top and 5 on the bottoms. What's 5 plus 5? 5 plus 5. That's right, 10. Just like our fingers, 5 plus 5 equals 10. We have 10 tulips, and how many of them are crossed out? 2. That's right. So what does our number sentence start with? 10, right? And what does 10 represent? 10 represents the whole number, absolutely. 10 represents the whole number. Now we crossed out 2, so what do we need to use? Are we adding or are we subtracting? That's right, we are subtracting because we're taking away how many flowers? 2. So 10 represents the whole number, and the minus sign represents taking away. How many did we take away? 2. So what does a 2 represent? The flowers that are crossed out or apart. Some of you are saying that 2 represents apart. Absolutely, but it also represents the 2 flowers that were crossed out. So we have 10. We took away 2, and how many are left? 8. That's right. Let me count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What does the 8 represent? That's right, the 8 represents the flowers that are left. So we have 10, we took away 2, and we have 8 left. So what's the number sentence? That's right. 10 minus 2 equals 8. Beautiful. So now you definitely know that this is the answer. 10 minus 2 equals 8. You guys are doing great. Let's take a look at these mushrooms. How many mushrooms do we have? I see that we have 5 on the top and 4 on the bottom. What's 5 plus 4? That's right. We have 9. What does the 9 represent? The whole number. 9. How many did we cross out? 4. 9 minus 4 equals how many? How many are left? 5. That's right. So tell me the number sentence starting with 9, the whole number. That's right. 9 minus 4 equals 5. Can you find that number sentence here? I know you can. Here it is. Perfect. What's the subtraction sentence? I want you to think big because I'm just going to ask you for the sentence. Remember to think about how many butterflies we have, how many flew away, and how many are left. Okay, so you're telling me we had 7 butterflies? That's right, we have 4 on top and 3 on the bottom. 4 plus 3 makes 7. Okay, so we have 7 and 3 of them flew away. You can even use your hands. So we have 5, 6, 7, and 3 flew away. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? That's right, 4 are left. So we have 7 minus 3 equals how many? Yes, 4. Do you see that number sentence here? Extra points for you if you're writing down these number sentences. All right, let's take a look at the ladybugs. What's the subtraction sentence that matches this story? Let me tell you the story. Are you ready for it? Okay, we have 8 ladybugs. 8 ladybugs, but one ladybug flew away. How many ladybugs are left? Are you ready? All right. When you, I'm going to go ahead and count us down from 3, and then I want you to say the number sentence with me. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Say the number sentence. 8 minus 1 equals, yes, 7. 8 minus 1 equals 7. And if you can see the number sentence that matches the story, I want you to touch it or circle it with your finger. Good job. You are so great. I want you to take a look at this picture and show me the subtraction sentence. Okay. So you have 4 kites and 2 of them flew away, right? So what should be at the beginning of the number sentence? 4. That's right, because that is our what? Our whole number. 4 minus how many? How many flew away? 2. That's right. 4 minus 2 equals how many? How many are left? 2. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Great job. If you can find this number sentence, I want you to point to it or circle it up in the air. All right, here I am circling my number. Awesome job. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Whoa, look at these cute birds. We have 4 on top and 4 on the bottom. 4 and 4 make how many? 8. We have 8 total birds. What's our total number, our whole number? 8. That's right. 8 is our whole number. How many of those birds flew away? Yes, if you said 4, that's great. And how do you know that? Because they're crossed out. That's right. So 8 minus 4 equals how many? How many are left? Yes, 4. 8 minus 4 equals 4. Great job. What is the subtraction sentence? I want you to think big. Okay, so I see that we have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm counting them just to make sure that I have the right number. We have 7 duckies and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 swam away. 7 minus 5 equals how many are left? That's right, 2. 7 minus 5 equals 2. Can you find that number sentence? All right, I knew you could do it. Now it's my turn to show you. Whoops. There we go. All right, let's take a look at these lily pads again. What's a subtraction sentence? Think big. 6, that's right. We have 6 total lily pads, and how many of them are crossed out? 3, that's right. 6 minus 3 equals how many? How many are left? That's right, 3. You can also use your hands to make sure. We have 6, and let's take away 3. 1. Oops, we have 6. Take away 3. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? Yes, 3. 6 minus 3 equals 3. So you can check on the picture, so you can count the objects in the picture. You can also use your hands to see if your math is correct, and then you can find the number sentence that matches it. Which is the number sentence that matches the story? 6 minus 3 equals 3. That's right. Here it is. All right. Whoa, let's take a look at these frogs. It looks like we have 5 on top and 5 on the bottom. And what's 5 plus 5? 10. We have 10 frogs total. How many of them hopped away? Well, I see that 4 are crossed out. So I think that 4 of them hopped away. So we have 10, and we took away 4 because they left. So what's 10 minus 4? 10 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 are left, right? We can use our hands, or we can count the frogs on the paper or on our screen. So 10 minus 4 equals 6. Can you see that number sentence? Of course you can. It's right here. You're doing so great. That was amazing. Guess what? We're done. That was such a great job. I like that you guys are really focused on practicing your subtraction sentences. If you want to challenge yourself to see if you know these without me helping, you can watch the video again, and you can also turn the volume down, and you can answer them by yourselves. You can also stop the video and write the number sentence on a paper so it can help you practice. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.